class 9 studying in Sri Sharada Vidyalayam, which is located at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Today I am going to share a small story with you all titled as Efforts Wins in the End. There was a boy in a school named as Arun. He always chooses shortcuts to do the work. Maybe it was in studies, doing some work, or else in playing games. It's all fine until the ma'am came and said to all, "Children, we all have science exhibition this week." So everyone were excited and participated in the exhibition. Everyone is doing the projects with their own ideas, but Arun was chooses shortcuts to do the project. He used internet and technology to to complete his project. It was all good. He done his project and also without knowing anything about it and without understanding. So on that exhibition day, everyone was presenting their projects in the exhibition. Everyone was well understood and confident to explain their projects to the judges. It was all fine until the judges came to the Arun. So when Arun it's turn to Arun was very shy and also afraid of judges because he didn't prepare anything and he didn't know anything about his projects because he chooses the shortcut to do his project. But judges asked him many questions, but he didn't answer anything and stood up in silence. So after his turn, there is a guy named Krishna beside him. So when his turn, judges asked him each and every question about his project. He made a simple and small project with lots of efforts and which gained his knowledge. So when Arun was silently standing beside Krishna and watching the way he is explaining to the judges. Krishna was confidently explaining everything to judges and judges were very excited and interested to listen to his project. So at the end, Arun got curious and asked him, "Krishna, how you have done all this?" "Nothing. I just learned about my project and I understood my project with curiosity and interest. You didn't done any of that because you chose internet among and shortcut to do your project." "Oh, that made me fail in this exhibition." "Yeah, exactly. So didn't do that again." "Okay, Krishna." At the end, Krishna got the first prize and Arjun learned how to put efforts and how to create interest on something when he was doing. Moral of the story is understanding and hard work are always the better way to success. This is all about my story. Thank you.